Hello and welcome to Manifesting Wellness with Nicole. Thank you so much for being here today, for taking time out of your day to create a space for yourself to find some peace, some guidance, and to show yourself a little self-love. We're going to continue our conversation about stress less. We're designing this series to help you create a beautiful, balanced, and stress-free lifestyle. For this video, I will be performing a chest, neck, and shoulder massage on Miss Danny. And go ahead and find just a quiet, comfortable space where you can sit back and relax and enjoy this video. As you get more comfortable, begin to allow yourself to relax and just enjoy the massage. We want to find peace and relaxation. It's so easy to fall into feelings of stress. So it's important that you just take this time for yourself. So just sit back and enjoy this massage. It's so easy to get caught up in feelings of stress. It's important to take time just to let go. And we hope that these videos can help you do that. And we have so much more content just like this massage video. If you'd like to see more, we would love to have you check out our Patreon page. We have over 200 videos that are just massage. So if this helps you relax, I encourage you to head over there after this video. And we will be sharing a little sneak peek of what kind of content you can see over there. But for the meantime, just continue to get comfortable. Find your breath. And in previous videos, we've talked about ways that you can relieve feelings of stress. We've talked about how to recognize where your stress is coming from. And we've learned that stress is just an emotion. It's a feeling within your body as a response to a thought and to the meaning behind that thought, to the meaning that we give to any given situation. Our bodies are full of energy, and emotions are energy in motion. So when you maintain your energy and the vibrations of your energy, you can maintain your emotions. When you're having feelings of joy, excitement, peace, love, these are high vibrational feelings. And these are all associated with the vibration of love. When you feel anxiety, stress, overwhelm, these are low vibrational feelings associated with the vibration of fear. So when you're feeling an emotion, take a moment to acknowledge it and determine if this emotion is in a high vibrational state or a low vibrational state. And our goal is to shift into a high vibe state so we can attract more things to feel good about. So when you are feeling stressed and feeling low vibe, many times that will manifest and attract more things to feel stressed about. And we've discussed ways that you can change the meaning that you are giving to a situation that is causing you stress. And this will help you to feel more calm and more in control of your emotions. So we've learned that stress is an emotion based on a thought and a meaning that we are giving to a situation. And we've learned that we can begin to shift how we are feeling about the situation by removing the emotional significance from that. So changing the meaning that you are giving something can help shift your vibrations and help you shift into a place of love. But when it comes to the situation or maybe a deadline, whatever it is that has you feeling these feelings of stress, most likely something needs to be done to take care of it. We can analyze and decide that it's not even worth worrying about and let it go. But sometimes we need to take action and take responsibility for whatever is going on, whatever needs to be taken care of. So we've previously learned how to analyze your situation and making a list of the things you're potentially stressed about, determining whether these things are actually worth stressing about. And if you find that they are, determining whether or not you can do something about it. If you can't, if it's out of your control, then we let it go and release it. But if you can do something about it, then we take it a step further and look at what emotional significance you're giving this situation or this event, how you can remove that emotional significance or even shift it into something with a positive meaning, something that better serves you, maybe even something that excites you. We've also looked at the situation and figured out why this thing is happening. Maybe it's a message from the universe. Maybe whatever it is in need of some maintenance. Or maybe it's time for an upgrade. And now that we've made it through these steps, let's take a look at that thing that is stressing you out and figure out what action can you take to resolve it. What do you need to do to take care of the situation? Let's just take a moment to check in with our breathing, check in with how you're feeling. Make sure you're still comfortable. Make sure you're feeling calm and relaxed. Beautiful. Something I encourage you to do after you're done watching this video is to take a look at your situation and make a list. Make a list of what needs to be done to take care of whatever it is that you're dealing with. Maybe it's an unexpected bill. Maybe it's an uncomfortable situation with a friend. Maybe it's a repair that your car needs. What needs to be done to take care of it? And I want you to highlight the things that you yourself can do. What actions can you take? And what actions can you take today, right now? If you are anything like me, you may tend to procrastinate. And we all know that usually doesn't help the situation. So I encourage you to look at what you can do and take action right away. Now, there may be some things that you can't do on your own. or they feel like it's just too much, or it's too much of a challenge. You're not sure how to go about getting this thing done. And I'd like you to remember that you are supported. There are people who care about you, and there are people who provide services to help you. So what can you ask for help with? Or what can you outsource? What can you pay someone else to do for you to make sure that this thing gets handled, that it gets taken care of, so you no longer have to let it weigh on your mind? Because it feels good when we get things accomplished. And you can breathe a sigh of relief that it's done. Let's take a deep breath in and release. Now, if you really want to take it to the next level and begin to take charge of your emotions, your emotional state, and how you shift into a higher vibration on a regular basis, take this thing that was once stressing you out and think of ways that you can make this an exciting goal. Or if you like to be challenged and make a game out of it, make it an exciting challenge. Start to visualize what it will feel like once this thing is accomplished. Get excited about the process of getting it done. Start to align with the version of yourself who is living that stress-free life and who gets things taken care of without being paralyzed by their emotions. And you can do this simply by visualizing what it would feel like. Really tap into those emotions of how you want to feel. And get excited, get inspired, and take that inspired and aligned action toward your goals. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you feel so inspired and excited to go out there, take some action, and take back your life. Have an awesome day.
If you enjoy these videos, please join us at psychetruthpatrons.com for dozens of exclusive videos and premium programs. We have over 1,000 videos you won't find on YouTube, such as modeling and fashion hauls, exclusive massage videos, ASMR, behind the scenes, bloopers, and much more. It's a great way to help us keep the cameras rolling so we can continue making the content you love. Patrons will get 2 to 3 new exclusive videos each week, so I hope you'll consider joining our Patreon family today. Just visit psychetruthpatrons.com.